Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, in the second video today let's take a look at the gold market again. So yesterday it was very interesting discussion in our video that something is really curious is going on the gold, because the price action behavior, well, it's a bit well, not quite common, let's call it in this manner. So because well, it's price behavior that we saw on intraday charts remains some kind of the churning price action, where in a very tight range you could see very big volatility and a really big trading volume, and it tells you that some extraordinary positions stands as on from the one side as from the other side. So any minor sell-off that has happened around 1620 area was buyout by traders. In general, overall, this situation leads us to really obvious conclusion that currently it's not the moment where we would like to take the short position. Although initially we talked about the hand shoulders pattern, if you remember, it was in this manner. But this, well, it absolutely breaks the shape of the pattern and tells us that this is definitely not the moment for a sell, despite that market stands at the upper bottom and its major 618 resistance level. Well, I think that just strong overbought conditions stopped the market on a further appreciation. If we wouldn't have the overbought, I would suggest that market challenge the stop. In general, if situation will not change within the few sessions, I suppose that really has chance to be treated as the upward continuation on the higher time frames, on the weekly and the monthly charts. It really could happen. In the shorter term, guys, situation, it seems it calmed down a bit. Well, take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. Once the pennant has been broken, these tails that was formed with the last few sessions has disappeared. Here we do not see it. So it means the churning process ends, and now market is turning to some, let's call it as some kind of the more common type of action. And on the background of this stuff, we now could get some relief, especially as we are coming to the weekend. Currently, investors are scared of the weekends, because in the weekend, some news could be released, some politician could say something, some measures could be announced, and that could change the shape of the market. And that's why investors currently it's a bit worried about the weekend times and trying to, well, not hold at least the short-term position through the weekend. And on the background of this event, since today's Friday, we could get some pullback, some relief here. On the hourly chart, take a look where we have. Indeed, upward action has happened, as we suggested yesterday. The market has taken out of this top, so bullish dynamic pressure that we have discussed has been completed. Take a look. This type of action, as I said, you do not see it here. So this buying don't stand in that moment. And market immediately is getting the relief. So despite that, we see that some retracement. Here you can see the divergence. The MACD, well, it doesn't mean that's good moment for taking the short position. So do not forget what we have here to the left side on the daily chart. And I think that this would be better to follow our trading plan, as we said. Just keep an eye on the possible retracement. If we will get lucky and we will get some pullback, we will consider the possible taking of the long position, because I think that this is not over yet. This is just a pause in the process that has started, and well, getting some pullback, it will be a very good situation for us, as we could consider possibly taking the long position. Currently, at this moment, well, as we said yesterday, we would call for taking the long position if we wouldn't be at the overbought. When we are at the overbought, it's not very comfortable for position taking, because it's really very significant chance on the pullback. So let's see what we will get on the gold. So in 2 words as a conclusion: no shorts, wait for the pullback to consider the long entry, because the hand shoulders pattern on the daily definitely shows the flow, and it stands on the hazard of destruction. and it seems that this process already has started to fail over the hand shoulders, and we know that what is going on when the hand shoulders fails. Market moves above the head. We will consider this type of action. What we need currently is just to see when the market will abandon the overbought condition, when it will get the chance to proceed upward direction. Maybe we'll get this retracement, and we will keep an eye on for retracement where we consider possible taking over the long position.